Hello there, my name is Mayank and I am presenting the 11th video of our 100 LRDI challenge for CAT 2020. I hope that you have watched and enjoyed and learned a lot from our previous 10 videos. Please do write to us in the comment section about your experience and your learning and suggestions, if any, you have for us to improve our video quality. So getting on with this set, I have on a lighter note named the set as Loose Shoes. You will shortly know why, because the set talks all about the shoes, shoe sizes and the gifted shoes. So here is this small data about the set. Please pause the video and read it and try to imagine the structure. Okay, hope you have done that. So before getting on to the questions, let us first try to understand what the instructions meant to say. So what they meant was that the shoe sizes of people and the gifted pairs. Let's talk about this. So there are 6 people. So people are A, B, C, D, E, F. But for an example, I'm just taking their names to be their shoe sizes to be P, Q, R, S, T, U. Okay. So for the shoe sizes P, Q, R, they want to gift the same shoe size to everybody. Then for maybe for ST, they want to gift another shoe size, and then for you they want to gift another shoe size. So this is the structure that they're talking about in the question. अब जो constraints हैं उसके हिसाब से हमें देखना पड़ेगा कि ये सब कैसे possible है. So the people are A, B, C, D, E, F, and their shoe sizes are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, as per the question, so suppose the person A who has a shoe size of 6, he can be gifted either a shoe size of 5 or 6 or 7. ये तीनों ही numbers उसको चलेंगे. Same for 8, he can be gifted shoe size 7 or 8 or 9. For the person F who has a shoe size of 11, he could be gifted shoe size of 10 or 11 or 12. Okay, now let us see how that can happen. So who are the people who are going to get the same shoe size? There's 3 people who are going to get the same shoe size. So can they be people like 6 and 8 and 10? Will you be able to gift these 3 people the same shoe size? नहीं हो सकता है, क्योंकि इन दोनों के बीच में 2-2 का डिफरेंस है और आप सिर्फ एक नंबर ऊपर नीचे दे सकते हो. So even if you choose 8 number shoe to be given to all of them, only one person gets it right and the other people get it wrong. इसका मतलब ये है कि हमारा selection of people was not right. So if you think it through, you will understand that these 3 people have to be consecutive 3 numbers, like 6, 7 and 8, and the only possibility of the shoe number that you are going to gift them is the middle number. So 7, if you gift all of them shoe number 7, only then will it be okay as per the condition given in the question. Now about the other two, 6, 7, 8 हो गया है, 9, 10, 11 is remaining. So how about putting 9 and 11? Okay, 9 and 10 also could be put. If 9 and 10 are put together, they could be gifted 9 each or 10 each, and this person could be gifted 10 or 11 or 12. Hell lot of possibilities. एक और possibility ये थी कि चलिए आपने 6, 7, 8 को तो साथ में रख दिया और उनको 7, 7, 7 नंबर दे दिया. You could have put 9 and 11 together and gifted them both shoe number 10, and then for the person 10 you could have gifted 10 or 9 or 11. अब यहाँ पर एक important बात जो हम अभी तक छोड़ रहे हैं वो आती है, और वो ये है that this last line, you see, the average of 6 people is 0.33 more than the average of the pairs gifted to them. Now what do they mean is, since the average of 6 people, 0.33 is 1 by 3 actually. Okay, so it will be easier if we took it 1 by 3. So 0.33 is 1 by 3. So if the average of 6 people is affected by 1 by 3, their total will be affected by, आप 6 से multiply करें तो आपको पता चलेगा the total difference will be of 2. So let me explain it to you. In the nutshell, what they mean is, the shoe sizes of people, their sum is going to be 2 more than some of the shoe sizes gifted to them. तो डिफरेंस सिर्फ 2 का आना चाहिए. अब देखिए, जब आप 3 नंबर्स कंसेक्यूटिव लेते हैं, जैसे कि हमने लिया था 6, 7, 8 and we gifted them 7, 7, 7. So what about the difference? There is 0 difference. तो ये टॉप लाइन में तो कभी डिफरेंस आने वाला नहीं है, because you are always going to take 3 consecutive numbers and you are always going to pick the middle number for the gift size and the difference is going to be 0. Now अगर मैं 9 और 11 को चूज करता हूँ, I will have to gift them both 10 number and again the difference is 0, which brings all the pressure to the third row कि ये जो 10 नंबर बंदा है, इसमें आपको 2 का डिफरेंस लेकर आना है और वो भी कम. तो आप इसको 8 नंबर शूज देंगे, लेकिन ये तो पॉसिबल नहीं है, बिकॉज वी कैन ओनली गो by +1 or -1, which tells us that the only possibility is top line में. तो देखिए कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. You give them 7, 7 and 7, no difference. In the bottom line, don't choose the people with difference of 2. Choose 2 consecutive people. 9 and 10 choose किया और एक का डिफरेंस हम यहाँ लेकर आएंगे, एक का डिफरेंस हम बॉटम रो में लेकर आएंगे. एक का डिफरेंस कैसे लाएंगे? दोनों को हम 10 दे सकते थे या 9 दे सकते थे, बट वी विल चूज टू गिफ्ट देम 9 ईच, सो दैट इस बंदे में एक -1 का डिफरेंस आया. एंड द लास्ट पर्सन गिफ्ट हिम 1 shoe number down size. This is the only possibility. Okay, so it is going to be like this, that if I choose the people A, B, C, I will gift them B, 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 then D, E, gift them both D, and F, gift him E. तो एक का डिफरेंस यहाँ लेकर आएंगे और एक का डिफरेंस यहाँ लेकर आएंगे. If you have read and understood the language of the question correctly, आपको मेरी बात समझ में आई होगी. मैंने बहुत बेसिक से समझाने का कोशिश किया है. अगर नहीं समझ में आई है तो you can pause the video and listen to me saying all these things all over again. Now we are, I think, set to see the questions. हालांकि अभी कुछ भी पक्का नहीं हुआ है that which are these 3 people who are getting the same shoe number and which are those 2 people. I think the question will help us decide. Okay, the first question: which of the following persons has definitely not gifted the pair with the size different from the rest of the pairs of... Okay, language. It's all language. अगर आप लैंग्वेज डिकोड कर पाएँ तो आप समझेंगे कि दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस लास्ट पर्सन, यू नो, द लास्ट पर्सन हु वाज नॉट पेयर्ड और ग्रुप्ड विद एनी ऑफ द अदर गाइज. अच्छा, ए का शू नंबर है 6, दिस इज 7, दिस इज 8, दिस इज 9. वैसे तो कोई भी हो सकता है, बट हु वाज डेफिनेटली नॉट गिफ्टेड. इनमें से कौन सा पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि उसको अकेला छोड़ा जाए. अच्छा, अबाउट 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you can group these 3 people together and these 2 people together. In that case, 6 could be left alone. Yes, it is possible. So first option cannot be the answer. Okay, you could have grouped these 3 people together, put 9 alone and then group 10 and 11 together. So 9 भी आंसर हमारा नहीं हो सकता है. Okay, what about you group 6 and 7 together, then 9, 10, 11 together and put 8 alone. So this is also possible. ये नहीं हो सकता. बस अगर आपने 7 को अकेले छोड़ा. Okay, so by the process of elimination we have already got the answer, but you should also understand why, क्यों ऐसा हुआ. अगर आपने 7 नंबर पर्सन को अकेले छोड़ा है तो चलिए इसको तो अकेले छोड़ दिया, इसको आपने अलग करने के बाद ये 6 भी तो अलग हो गया. अब इसको आप कभी भी ग्रुप नहीं कर पाएंगे. यू कैन नॉट पेयर 6 नंबर विद एनी अदर नंबर, बिकॉज इसके साथ जो 7 था उसको आपने अकेला कर दिया है. सो यू कैन मेक अ ग्रुप ऑफ 3 by 8, 9, 10 or 9, 10, 11, बट यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू पेयर और ग्रुप 6 नंबर पर्सन विद एनीबडी एल्स. Okay, so I think we got the answer and I hope you are satisfied with the explanation. Second option becomes the answer to this. Next question. Okay, second question. Which of the following persons can the size of the pair of shoes gifted be definitely determined? Okay, so if we talk about A is the person with size number 6, B is 7, E is 10 and F is 11. Okay, let's talk about 6 number person. 6 number person can be present in a triplet. In that case, he will be gifted 7. 6 number person can also be present in the pair and then he will be gifted size number 6. And 6 number person could also be present alone and then he will be paired, then he will be gifted size number 5. तो 6 तो definitely वो person नहीं है जिसका हम गिफ्टेड पेयर का नंबर डिटरमिन कर सकते हैं. He could be gifted in different conditions, different numbers. Okay. About B. Okay, you have seen that B is a person who could be placed here and then he is gifted his own number. Who could be placed here, then he is gifted one number less. So B is also not that person. About E. E है 10 number person. So if you put 10 and 11 together as a pair, then 10 number person gets 10 number shoe. Okay. And if you put 10 number person in a triplet like 8, 9, 10, 10 number person gets 9 number shoe. तो ये 10 भी नहीं हो सकता. By the process of elimination, we know that it is going to be the fourth option, F. Now also understand logically and conceptually why it has to be F. देखिए 11 ऐसा नंबर है जो कभी भी ग्रुप की शुरुआत नहीं कर सकते. When you make a group of 3, you can never put 11 here. 11 will always be put here only. When you make a pair, 11 will be put here only. और alone में तो 11 को यहाँ पे रखा जाएगा. So this is a person who is always gifted one size less. इस बंदे को हमेशा एक साइज छोटा ही मिलता है. So F is a person whose shoe size makes him to be grouped and put at last in the group because of the highest shoe size. तो उसको हमेशा एक साइज छोटा ही मिलेगा, नो मैटर वॉट, नो मैटर विच ग्रुप यू पुट हिम इनटू. सो फोर्थ ऑप्शन बिकम्स आवर आंसर. थर्ड, which of the following additional statements are required to correctly identify the size of the shoes gifted to each of the 6 people? Okay, this will help us. We do not see any option saying statement 1 alone. Okay, so there is no point checking statement 1 alone. Let us check statement 2 alone. इसको कहते हैं ऑप्शन से हेल्प लेना. स्टेटमेंट 2 अलोन की अगर हम हेल्प लें, 2 says B is gifted. Now for your understanding, let me again write the shoe numbers of the people starting with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So they say B is gifted a pair of size 8. बी वो 7 नंबर वाला बंदा है. 7 नंबर वाले को 8 नंबर मिलेगा. ऐसा तो सिर्फ तब हो सकता है when a triplet is started with 7. Only then can he get 8 number shoe. तो इससे हमें ये पता चला कि 7 से ट्रिपलेट स्टार्ट हो रहा है. 6 इज लेफ्ट अलोन, तो कोई और चॉइस नहीं हमारे पास 6 को अकेले रखने के अलावा. ही विल गेट शू नंबर 5 एंड द रिमेनिंग पीपल 10 and 11 विल बी कास्ट एज अ पेयर and they will get 10 number each. So 2 alone is working. So my answer is either first option or fourth option. It says 2 only or 1 and 3 together. एक बार 1 and 3 together को भी देख लेते हैं. Let's put 1 and 3 together. 1 and 3 together. A is gifted pair of size 6. A को अपना ही size मिल रहा है, 6 वाले को 6 number मिल रहा है. This is possible when you put him in the pair and with the starting. So 6, 7 pair बनाते हैं. Okay, and then A gets 6 number shoe. But what about the triplet? Triplet starts with 8, 9, 10 और 9, 10, 11. उसके लिए हमें थर्ड स्टेटमेंट की जरूरत पड़ेगी. C is gifted a pair of size 7. तो 8 नंबर वाले को 7 नंबर मिल रहा है. That means clearly the triplet was not starting with 8, because if you had started the triplet with 8, 9, 10, then 8 number person must have gotten 9 number shoe. 8 number को यहाँ रखेंगे तो उसे 7 मिलेगा, and as a result 9, 10, 11 will make our group of 3 people who get 10 number each. So yes, 1 and 3 together also uniquely determine the size of the shoes gifted to each of the 6 people. So fourth option becomes our answer. Okay, so you saw that this was a set based on numbers, but a hell lot of reasoning was required. A little bit of arithmetic progression, average, these kind of small nitty gritties from these topics were used big time, and they helped us crack the problem. So that would be it for this set. I hope you liked the explanation. So guys, I would like to tell you that if you want to receive these sets well in advance so that you can try them and make a collection of sets if in your LRDI collection, then please do join our WhatsApp group, the link of which you will find in the bio of this video. If you really like the videos, then please do subscribe to our channel. So this is Mayank signing off. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care of yourself.